to San Juan, Puerto Rico, where the local time is 3:34. For your safety, please keep sitting with your seatbelt secured in fasten. Keep carrying items put away until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when open overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting on the plane, feel free to remain seated until we have arrived at the gates where better assist you. For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you may check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. We do hope you enjoy the JetBlue experience. If you receive an email survey about this trip, we'd love to get your honest feedback. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this fabulous boss and base crew, thanks again for choosing JetBlue.
Damas y caballeros, JetBlue Airways le da la bienvenida a San Juan. La hora local son las 3:34 p.m. Por favor, quédense sentados con sus cinturones abrochados hasta que el capitán apague la señal de los cinturones. Los pasajeros que necesitan ayuda especial para desembarcar, por favor, quédense sentados con sus cinturones abrochados hasta que lleguemos a la puerta. En estos momentos puede utilizar sus teléfonos celulares y los llevan a la mano. En nombre de toda esta tripulación de JetBlue Airways, queremos decir gracias por viajar con nosotros hoy. Esperamos verlos pronto en nuestro vuelo de JetBlue. También le queremos dar las felicidades a Tony y Charo, que acaban de cumplir 29 años en su aniversario. Bendiciones, felicidades. Congratulations to Tony and Charo, who just got 29 years. And are celebrating their 29th anniversary. Congratulations, Tony and Charo. Yay!